In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to edit reaction video like Williams Uchemba, right? This guy right here. So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. You're welcome to Grow Better, and this channel teach people how to build, grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azimilian and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post an amazing video, that is when you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. Right, so I've been getting so many comments from people asking me to make video on how Williams Uchemba edits his reaction videos. So his kind of editing is quite unique and it actually makes sense because if you're editing like him, you cannot get violation when it comes to originality of content because he spices it up. So let me read something for you guys. According to this person said, please teach us how to create reaction video like Williams Uchemba, the one that he posts a video, react to it, and still play it again. So one thing I like about his kind of reaction video is that when he plays the video he's reacting to, he'll be watching it and sometimes he'll be talking and in the middle of the video he might pause the video, right, and talk to the audience, right. After talking to the audience, then he will now play it again. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how this guy edits these reaction videos. There are three methods you can actually use to edit this reaction video like this guy. The first method is using OBS Studio. When you use OBS Studio, you'll be able to screen record a screen and also record your face at the same time. So either you on the live record, which will enable OBS Studio to be able to record the screen of your laptop and also your face. You can also go to TikTok, then play the video and be reacting to it and pause and talk, then come and still continue the video, right? Either you use OBS Studio or you can also use mobile phone to do this kind of editing, right? See how it works, right? You will need two mobile phone. One of the mobile phone you're going to be using it to watch the video, right? So while watching the video, you make sure that that one you're watching from your screen recording it, right? As you're watching, you can actually pause, then talk to the camera. So why you need another phone is that while you are watching the video with the one that you're screen recording, you also need to keep another camera aside, which you are going to be using to record your face, record yourself watching the video. You might keep it like this and be watching and be reacting and be talking and pause the video and turn to the camera and tell people, hi guys, how do you guys see this? Does this make sense? Right? So that's it. So the next method is using Zoom to screen record your desktop. Right. So due to because I don't really understand how to use OBS Studio, and I also have another application or software which can also do the same job that OBS Studio does, which is Zoom. Right. With Zoom, I can be able to record the screen of my desktop, and that's exactly what the OBS Studio does for them. All right. So what I'm going to be doing is that I will put a camera close to me which is recording me, which is my phone camera. Then I also put on my desktop on, right? So I'll be watching the video with my desktop, then I will pause and look at the camera and talk to my audience, then come back and continue watching the video. So how am I going to do this? I'm going to open up Zoom, then create a new meeting in the Zoom. So when I create that new meeting, I'll just go and click on share screen, and when I share my screen, I click on record, and it will be recording my screen while I'll be watching that video, and another camera will be beside me recording myself. So I'm going to be doing this in private, and after recording this, right, I will come and teach you guys how to edit it. But before anything, I'm going to be firstly show you guys how to record your screen with Zoom. For now, I don't know how to use OBS Studio, but I think I will need to learn it so that I will teach you guys how to actually use that. So maybe in my next video, I'm going to be sharing how to run reaction video using OBS Studio. So guys, I'll be taking you guys to the other side of the screen where I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to record with Zoom, right? And after teaching you how to record with Zoom, I will teach you guys how to edit the reaction video. So but before we get to the other side of the screen, I would like you to do something for me. I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you Mazi for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. So see you guys in the other side of the screen. So guys, if you want to record your screen, so what you need to do is, this is my desktop screen, right? So here is Zoom right here. You can see Zoom right here. Just tap on it twice to open. Well, before you open the Zoom, you are supposed to have installed it in your desktop, right? So here is Zoom now. Zoom has opened like this. So all you need to do is to come to this new meeting. So once you tap on new meeting, you allow it to load. Make sure that your internet is on, right? So once you allow it to load, you can now make it full screen. Right, once you make it full screen, you just need to come down right here. You can see share screen right here. Can you see this share screen? And tap on share screen and make sure that this screen is selected. Display that the roll screen is selected. And just come right here and click on share. Right, so right now you can see whatever I'm doing in this screen right here in Zoom is going to be sharing it. Right, so after you click on share screen, right, normally if you are, this is your first time on Zoom, this thing is going to be up. I dragged it down here because most time if I'm working, it usually block something, so that's why I dropped it down here. So what you're going to do if you want to record is just to come and click on this more. You can see this more right here. Tap on the more. As you tap on the more, you can see record on this computer, right? Then you click on it and they're going to tell you that recording started. Like this now, whatever I'm doing on this screen is now being recorded, right? So once I finish recording, all I need to do is just to end the meeting. How do I end the meeting? I click on this more, then click on this end right here. You can see this end right here. Some other system is not this way, but whichever way it is in your system, all you need to do is to find end and click on end, and you will see where they will tell you end meeting for all or leave meeting. But select this end meeting for all, right? So once you select this end meeting for all, then you will see whatever you recorded is being converted right here. You can see after converting, it has been saved into your system. So all you need to do is now to copy this video out, then put it in your CapCut with together with the one that you recorded on your face. Either you use CapCut or InShot, then just sync them and edit. So right now I'm going to sync them and edit with the one I just recorded right now. So guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly how I edit this reaction video, right? So let's go. So guys, before you edit, right, you make sure that you have imported the video you recorded, the screen record you did on the system to your phone, right? So the one you recorded with the phone and the other one you recorded with the laptop, you're going to be putting it in your phone because you're going to be heading to CapCut to edit both of them. So let's go to CapCut. Once you come to CapCut, right, you just need to click on new project. Once you click on new project, then you need to firstly import the video you recorded your face, right? So this is the one I recorded my face, right? So and there is one thing I normally do understand, which I believe that the guy also do, that is that when you want to start playing the video, you just tell them watch this video. So due to because you screen record that video in the system with a vocal, which is audio recording and video recording in the system, right? Whatever you said outside here will still be said in the other video. So all you need to do right here is to sync the two video so that they will be together. The voice will be together the same way, you know, so that whenever you post your video, it's all everything will be the same, right? So I'm going to look at this video and right, there is a place I said please watch this video. That's place I'm going to cut it there, and if I import the other one, I'll still cut it there so that it will sync together. So let's go. Guys, guys. So this place is the place I said guys let's watch this video, right? So I'll split it off from here. All I need to do is to come and look for aspect ratio, right? You can see aspect ratio like this. Then I'll come and select this 1.1, right? Then I'll shift myself one side like this, then click OK, right? Then the next thing I will need to do is to come and click on overlay. You can see overlay right here. Once I tap on overlay, I'll click on add overlay. Then I will import the one I recorded on system, which is this. Then I click on add, right? So that's it. So the first thing I do right here, you see this is showing the system screen.
So the first thing I will do is for me to go and crop. And how do I crop? I just need to come and click on this transform right here. When you tap on transform, then you click on resize. Here is resize. Tap on resize. Then I will now resize the video. Right, so let me resize it. So after resizing, I just need to come up right here and click OK. Right, then I'll come and paste it right here and expand it. Right, you can see our work is almost done, but what we need to do right here is to sync. So for you to be able to easily catch up where you said let's watch this video, you need to go to where the video started playing, because that's where I believe that I said that let's watch this video. Right,
Watch this video. See as
okay, so I'll take it back a little bit, then I'll split off here and delete the beginning. Right, so what I need to do right is that I'll need to reduce the volume of this one, right, then increase this one's volume for me to be sure that that's where I said let's watch this video, because I will still need to take it back.
guys, watch this video. Watch this video. Guys, watch this video.
Okay, that's where I said guys watch this video, so it will now sync with this one.
Guys, watch this video. Guys, watch this video. Watch this video. Watch this video.
So I think the video didn't sync well, so I just need to take it back a little bit and place it where, let's see.
Guys, watch this video. Guys, watch this video. Guys, watch this video. Watch this.
It's not really balanced, synced very clear, but while doing your own, you need to make sure that everything is synced well, right? Because you know, when I'm screen recording in this phone, like normally the volume goes down, right? So I won't be able to sync it well, but I just use psychology to know that that's where it is. So what I need to do is now reduce this one's volume, right, to 0.
Guys, watch this.
Then only the volume that will be playing is the one I recorded my face, right? So all I just need to do is to
guys watch this video. Watch this video.
As you can see, your reaction video has been edited fully, but I need to show you guys the time I pause the video. Right, you see it will be paused. Okay, you can see, I think it's here.
See, let me tell you something. Like, as a Man U fan, let me tell you something. Like,
you can see I paused the video.
Let me tell you something. Like, as a Man U fan, I want to tell you something. Do you know that we actually,
what happened there is that I paused the video, then decided to share something. So that's exactly what the guy does. While creating this kind of reaction video, sometimes in the middle of the video, you just need to pause, right, and share something and press play and continue. You will see I'll still press play and continue, right? Just take a look.
and now waiting my brain, they tell me, but I feel like this is the best thing we can do, right? So let's watch it again. Let me show you something. See the way he's just catching the thing with his displays. So let's play it again. Let me continue.
Okay, let me press play now.
Let me continue so that you see. You know, they see this guy, the guy is good.
So this is exactly the thing. So all you need to do is to make sure that as the video is playing, so if you need to talk, you will talk, right? If you need to pause the video, you pause and face your camera and talk to your audience, right? Then press play again and continue. But the most important thing, that you are saying something and you are adding value to the video, right? So this is exactly how to edit. The only thing you need to do is to come to the end of the video. You know, after the video has finished, then you can just come to the end of the video, face your camera and say something and tell them to please share the video. Then you will end. So let me say, for this time, this is where this video ended, right? Then after sharing what I'm sharing, then it will end. So you can just like, you can decide to add this thing. You can decide to add please follow or anything. So how to do this on CapCut is just come to test. Once you come to test, you see the test template right here. You can see test template. Once you tap on this test template, then you need to go and look for social. Before, see social media. You can see social media. When you see social media, you see please share, follow for more. Many of them are here. So I'll just need to select anyone. I think let me use like and share is better. Just tell them to like and share. So you can see at the end of this
Right,
video,
that's the moral lesson.
you can see at the end of this video, just look at it, you see like and share.
Minute, right, that's the moral lesson.
So that's it.
Guys, watch this.
So another thing you can actually decide to do is either you need to add your handle. You can easily do by clicking on add test. Then you can just write grow better. You know, if you want to design your test, you can click on this style right here. Then click on font, right? Then come and change it to whatever one you want. Reduce it a little bit, right? Then that's it. Or you can click on style to change the color, then add a stroke to it, right? Make it better. You can see I've added my handle. So when you add your text like this, you know it won't be the end of the video. All you need to do is to come at the back of the text, then draw it to the end of the video like this, right? So that's it. There is no more thing this guy actually does in his video. The only thing is just make sure that you record with two gadgets, then import them together and reduce one's volume and use one other one's volume. That's it. Very simple, just the same way I did in this video. You can actually pause, play again, talk, pause, play. Very simple. So guys, this is exactly how to edit like Williams Uchemba. So the next thing you need to do is just to click on export up right here and export. And before you export, make sure that your resolution is on 1080p or 4K, right? But 1080p is okay. Then all you just need to do is to click on export, and you can see the video is now exporting. So guys, see you in the other side of the screen.
You're welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video very interesting, I would like you to do something for me. I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. And if this is your first time in this channel, I will urge you to subscribe to this channel, because in this channel we share amazing videos every day and you can't afford to miss them. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.